On a quiet morning over Greece, an American spy plane filmed something. 2 cameras saw it. The crew could not say what it was. To this day, the United States military has not been able to explain it. The date was January 25, 2024. The plane took off from a base in Greece called Larissa. The mission was simple: fly, watch, and record. This was a normal flight, not a chase. The plane was an ISR aircraft. ISR stands for Intelligence, Surveillance, and Reconnaissance. It carries strong cameras and a heat sensor. Its job is to look down at the ground and watch for hours. At 5 in the morning, while the plane was on its way to its target, the crew saw something in the sky. They turned the heat camera on. They turned the second camera on. Both cameras locked onto the object at the same time. Why does that matter? Because if a camera lens has a smudge, only that one camera shows it. If a screen has a glitch, only that one screen shows it. When 2 different cameras see the same object at the same time, the object is really there. It is not a trick of the lens. The crew watched the object for over a minute. It did not look like a plane. It did not look like a drone they knew about. They could not tell how big it was. They could not tell how fast it was moving. They could only film it. When the plane landed, the crew filed a mission report. On page 1, in plain words, they wrote, "Observed an unidentified aerial phenomenon." That sentence is now in a paper signed and sealed by the United States Air Force. The report went up the chain to a small office called AARO. AARO stands for the All-domain Anomaly Resolution Office. Their job is simple: take every strange sighting from the military and try to find a normal answer for it. Most of the time, AARO finds an answer: a weather balloon, a small drone, a flock of birds, a piece of trash floating in the wind, a trick of light on the camera. Most reports get closed within weeks. But this one did not get an answer. The Greece case was marked unresolved. That word is important. Unresolved does not mean alien. It means, with the data we have, we still cannot tell you what it was. Here is what we are left with: 1 minute and 5 seconds of film, 2 camera feeds that agree, a trained crew on a calm mission, a signed and sealed report from the Air Force, and a special government office saying in 2025 that the case is still open. People have looked up and seen things they cannot explain for thousands of years. Roman writers wrote about shields of fire in the sky. Old sailors wrote about lights that followed their ships at night. The shapes in the stories change. The sky stays the same. The Greek case is small. Just 1 short film, 1 short report. But it is the kind of small case that altogether is hard to wave away. If you were in that plane watching the screen, what would you have done? Tell us in the comments. And if you want more cases like this one, follow the channel. We are uncovering them one at a time.